Danger, danger. My sensors indicate a core breach is imminent.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Lightwave Core Reveal. And thank you for joining us. I'm sure many of you are wondering just what this is all about, and we'll be getting to that soon enough. First, as most of you already know, Lightwave is one of the big four animation packages. It's used in blockbuster feature films, episodic television with the most Emmy wins for 3D artists, print graphics for the major publications, high-profile architectural projects, and more. Lightwave artists have been doing some mind-blowing work over the years. Let's just say that unless you've been hiding in a cave for the last couple of decades, you've seen work created with Lightwave. You know, I gotta say, Jonas, there sure has been a lot of activity on the NewTek forums lately, and it's been real fun to read all of your comments online. I hope you had a lot of fun with the puzzles, even though some of you may have taken some shortcuts by hacking SWF files and using Google. Very clever, but hey, whatever it takes. All right, so the big question on everyone's mind is, what is this core thing anyway? Is it a new 3D application? Is it a new version of Lightwave 3D? Is it a development environment for Lightwave? Well, the answer is yes for all of the above. Now, I know that many of you have gotten very comfortable with Lightwave over the years, and you may be a little bit concerned about too much change. I can definitely understand that. But pretty much all of you have also told us how much you want Lightwave to move forward to the next level. And that's what we are here to talk about today. Lightwave Core marks a new beginning for Lightwave. We've created a completely new code base from the ground up. Lightwave Core is an object-oriented framework written in C++. It's powerful. Lightwave Core was written from the ground up to leverage the modern computing landscape and beyond. It works great in 32-bit, and it's a monster in 64-bit. It is fully multi-threaded, multiprocessor, and GPU aware. Lightwave Core is flexible and extensible. Any component created via the Core SDK can install and become available to any other portion of the application. Up until now, third-party development has been restricted due to the limitations of the original SDK. Lightwave Core is built upon the concept of full access. That means third parties will be using the same exact SDK to develop components as we use to build Lightwave Core itself. Jonas likes to say it's like eating your own dog food. Lightwave Core leverages industry standards wherever possible. We have built the SDK and the framework with C++. We have built the UI toolkit upon the industry standard Qt toolkit from Trolltech and Nokia. We have chosen Python as the core language, but other languages can be added via Swig. The Lightwave Core scene file format is based upon Collada. Lightwave is unified. All functionality is under one roof, allowing you to model and animate in a single environment, or you want to continue to model and animate in separate environments, that's fine, it's your choice. Lightwave Core has a unified dynamics environment. This allows dynamics, physics, cloth, hair, and other solvers to interact transparently with each other. And Lightwave Core is the best of what Lightwave is known for. Ease of use, fantastic rendering quality, and speed, and a great modeling environment. By design, Lightwave Core will maintain the same tool methods that you love in Lightwave. We have a tremendous flexibility in workflow design, and it's possible for us to support a wide variety of workflows as a user preference. While Lightwave Core may offer more than layout and modeler as we move forward, you should still feel at home there. Lightwave Core is a radical departure for NewTek. Core represents a state-of-the-art in program design. It is a great launch platform for innovation, something that has been sorely lacking in the 3D market today. Aren't you tired of the same old, same old? Well, you know, so are we. And we've been exploring fun new concepts for workflow design in 3D. We think that there's a tremendous room for improvement in the 3D experience. The best things that Lightwave Core has to offer is what Lightwave has always offered: speed, flexibility, and choice. 3 of the 4 major 3D applications are now owned by one single company, and the landscape has changed forever. When several competing applications are under the control of one company, innovation is sure to suffer. But our team has endeavored to project far into the future and leverage the best of what's been developed to date. We're starting fresh. It'll be some time before the competition is in a similar position. Lightwave Core is very deep. Well over 2 years of design and development work have gone into Core. In fact, it's so deep that in this presentation we're only able to show you a small part. As many of you have noted, Lightwave Modeler has not gotten any love in recent releases beyond bug fixes and a few tweaks. Well, in today's presentation, you're about to learn why. We have decided to do our kickoff presentation to give you a little glimpse of the Lightwave Core environment with a little help from some modeling tools, some of which you've never seen in Lightwave before. So now let's take a look. For this portion of the presentation, I'm going to turn it over to our Core Product Development Manager, Jonas Gustafsson.
As Jay mentioned earlier, we're entering a new beginning with Lightwave Core. I'd like to show you one of the prototype user interfaces. As you can see, similar to Lightwave 9.6, we have a row of tabs running along the top of the screen. We call this the toolbar. As you select each tab, the toolbox on the left-hand side of the screen changes to reflect the new set of tools. This behavior is similar to recent versions of Lightwave. Unlike Lightwave, however, I can now tear off the toolboxes, place them wherever I need them. I can move them to the top of the screen, to the right, and so on. And I can just as easily dock this toolbox back to its original location. Core also enables you to change the interface theme. You can make your own and share them with your friends. I'm going to give this one a darker look. Notice how the objects in Lightwave Core are created in a very similar manner to Lightwave 9.6. Above the toolbar, we have a typical menu bar, like those you see in virtually any other application. We have the various menus, and they operate much as you would expect. As we get a bit deeper, though, we discover a couple of things. Each menu can actually be torn off from the bar. This little workflow enhancement allows you to put your menus where you need them, when you need them. As you can see, we've split the viewports. Like Lightwave 9.6, I can change the views to be whatever I need. Pretty standard stuff, right? Okay, let's make it a little bit more interesting. I can load a browser, or anything else for that matter, in any view I want. I can use it to view tutorials from the NewTek website. I can download files, Google reference images, whatever I need. Okay, now that I have arranged this the way I want it, let's take a look at what we have on the right-hand side of the screen.